Look this. De Morgan's first law, x plus y to the whole complement equals to x complement dot y complement. This is the De Morgan's first theorem. Okay. Let us suppose one expression p equals to x plus y. Let us suppose p equals to x plus y. Then by the help of this p plus p complement equals to 1 and p dot p complement equals to 0. This is complement law. According to complement law, p plus p complement, or you can say x plus x complement equals to 1 and x dot x complement equals to 0. Similarly, here we have p plus p complement, p plus p complement is 1 and p dot p complement equals to 0. So put the value of p here. Put the value of p here. Value of p is x plus y plus p complement is x complement dot y complement, and prove this it is equals to 1. Value of p is x plus y. Value of p is x plus y. So p complement is x complement dot y complement. Yes. Then we say that De Morgan's first law, x plus y complement equals to x complement y complement. Possible. Okay, sir, your voice is not coming. Now my voice is coming. Now solve this by using distributive law, distributive second law. X plus y, this is the first value of this p, and plus x complement dot y complement. By using distributive second law, x plus y plus x complement dot x plus y plus y complement. This is the distributive second law. Distributive property होती है second वाली. ठीक है? Like a plus bc equals to a plus b dot a plus c. This is the distributive second law. So according to this, x plus y plus x complement dot x plus y plus y complement. Now arrange it by the help of commutative property. X plus x complement, then plus y. Similarly here y plus y complement is 1, and then x plus x complement is 1 with the help of complement law. Then 1 plus y or 1 plus x, we know that it is 1. 1 plus y equals to 1, or 1 plus x is also 1. 1 dot 1, that is 1. So means p plus p complement equals to 1. Means here we have taken value of p is x plus y and its complement is x complement dot y complement. When we solve this, we get 1. Then it means left hand side is equals to right hand side. Now this is equal. How we get the value of this p complement? We know the value of p is x plus y. Value of p is x plus y. Then p complement is x plus y ka whole complement. And with the help of this De Morgan's first theorem, p plus x plus y to the whole complement is equals to x complement dot y complement. That's why I put value of p complement is x complement dot y complement. I hope this one is clear to you. Ojasvi, this is clear?
सर मैंने आपको मैसेज किया है, एक बार देखना.
We have two distributive law. Like first A dot B plus C. A dot B plus C. This is the distributive first law. When you distribute this A with A and B, so you have to write like A dot B plus A dot C. So this is the distributive second law, A dot B, because we are distributing this both A to with B as well as with C. So A dot B plus A dot C. This is the first property of distributive. Now second property of distributive is A plus BC. Means now sign is changed. Here instead of multiplication plus sign, then the plus sign is changed with multiplication sign. Now A plus BC. So this time I want to write this A with B as well as A with C. Means A plus B dot A plus C. A plus B dot A plus C means first you have to write this A with B and then this A again with C. So A plus B dot A plus C. Now it is clear? Ojasvi, it is clear? X plus
yes
Y.
sir. Yes sir.
A. Okay. Then you have to distribute it. So when you distribute this X plus Y, so first you write X plus Y plus X complement. Means first part of this X complement Y complement. क्या है पहला? X complement. Right? X complement. After that multiplication sign. Then X plus Y plus Y complement. Like this. Then value of X plus X complement is 1. Then 1 plus Y equals to 1. Similarly, Y plus Y complement is 1. And then 1 plus X is 1. Solve it. Then final result is 1. So in this manner, you have to solve your De Morgan's law. If you want to solve its second part, means this time we have proved P plus P complement equals to 1. If we want to solve this P dot P complement equals to 0. So how we take, when we know the value of P is X plus Y dot the value of X complement Y complement, sorry, P complement is X complement dot Y complement. X complement Y complement. Clear? So first you have to write X dot X complement Y complement plus Y X complement dot Y complement. Here X complement, X dot X complement is 0 plus change it by using commutative law. Y dot Y complement. Y dot Y complement is 0 and the final answer is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. Understand? X plus Y dot
Yes sir.
whole X dot Y X complement dot Y complement. This is whole. एक साथ है पूरा, ठीक है? So multiply this X Y X complement Y complement with X. X dot X complement Y complement plus multiply this with Y. So Y X complement Y complement. Then by using complement law, X dot X complement is 0 and then Y complement is 0 and then 0 plus 0 is 0. Clear now? Your question is, write a program using nested loop to produce a rectangle of stars with 6 rows and 20 stars per row. This is your question. This is your question. So this outer loop is for row and inner loop is for number of columns. Okay, so means your question is just like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 or 20. 20 stars in a row. 20 stars in a row. After that, new line begins, and then similarly 20 stars. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this. Clear? So similarly, we want to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 lines. Clear? So means in a rectangular manner, number of rows.
सर आ गया सर, आउटपुट आ गया.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Sir?
Yes.
सर
Yes.
इसके ऊपर दो क्वेश्चन है सर, एक ABC वाला और एक ऐसे स्टार वाला बुक में.
एक क्वेश्चन कर ले पहले. एक क्वेश्चन कर
ठीक
ले. हाँ पहले इसको कर लेते हैं. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन इज प्रिंट 20 स्टार इन ईच रो. तो मींस एक रो में 20 स्टार्स है एंड टोटल नंबर ऑफ रोज आर 6. टोटल नंबर ऑफ रोज आर 6. तो फॉर दिस वी हैव अ प्रोग्राम फॉर I in range 6. In range 6 that means it start from 0 to 5. ठीक है. तो this indicate 0 row, 1 row, second row, third row, fourth row and fifth row. The total number of rows are 6. Means when the value of I is 0, then first row will display. Then when the value of I is 1, then second row. Then when the value of I is 2, then third row, like this. Then J in range 20, that is for 20 columns. 1 column, 2 column, 3 column, 4 columns, like this. Okay? So means in each column, one star will display. Okay? So first row, first column, when the value of I is 0 as well as J is 0, then first star will display. जब I की वैल्यू 0 और J की वैल्यू 0, when both are 0, then first star will display, then end space. End space means after that next one. After that next one, then increase the value of J. Increase the value of J. Now the J is 1 and I remains same. Value of I is 0. So first row, second column, then it display star. It display star, and then after that one more, increment the value of J, then 2. So first row, third column, when the value of J is 2, so star, like this. Clear? So it continue until we get the value of J is 19. तब तक चलेगा जब तक J की वैल्यू क्या है 19 आएगी. तो 19 का मीन्स है 20 columns, पूरे 20 stars हो जाएंगे. And then when it reach 20, the condition is false. Come out here, print. Only print I have written here. Print. Bracket open, bracket close. That means print statement is used to insert blank line. तो ये जो है blank line इसका means we have to move from first line to second line. तो हम पहली line से second line पर जाएंगे and display and again start with the value of I is 1. Of I की value क्या हो जाएगी 1 and then J start from 0. Then first 1 0 1 2 1 3 1 0 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 like this. Is it clear?